Hi YouTube, what's going on? Now, one of the most common questions I've been getting on our channel lately is that most people want to find out how much I earn from a single viewer. Okay, this simply means that for the fact that you click and watch this video, here's how much I'm going to earn from YouTube. Okay, so I'm explaining all this so that you can be motivated and see how you can start your YouTube career while the year runs to an end. Okay, now I'm going to show you everything in the most transparent way, and you're gonna see every single calculation, and you're gonna see clearly how YouTube can earn in a similar way. Okay, all right, so I'm going to go straight to my computer and show you how everything works. So for the fact that I watch this video, here is how much I'm going to earn. Let's calculate it together. Okay, now in this part of the video, kindly note that there is small calculation which we are going to do, and just in case you're not familiar with mathematics, there's no problem. I'm going to explain to you how this is actually done, and it's not really complex. Okay, so what you can see on my screen is my YouTube studio, and this is the analytics part of my channel. And here you can see everything about my channel, including my name and the dates which I'm making this search. As you can see, it is up to the 4th of January. Okay, that is, we are calculating for the last 28 days up to the 4th of January. Okay, now in order for you to view this, you can hover over your YouTube studio and then go over to analytics, and then you go over to earn, and then you get to click on view all analytics. And what you're going to do at this point is you have to select, as you can see where it's written metrics. Okay, you have to go over to metrics and then untick all other options you find there, and then leave only the CPM. Okay, so I'm going to untick all other options and leave the CPM. Why I'm doing this is because I only need to have a chart of the CPM so that all of us can calculate it. Okay, now what does CPM mean? CPM simply means cost per mil. Okay, that's the meaning of CPM. All right, so here is how much YouTube is giving me for the fact that 1,000 people watched my video. Actually, YouTube is paying over $4.77. Okay, they are paying me over $4.77 per 1,000 view. This simply means that after 1,000 people watch my video, I'm gonna get approximately $4.77. Okay, so in order for us to calculate how much I'm gonna get for the fact that you watched this video, we're gonna go over to my calculator, and then we see how much I'm gonna get. Okay, so in order for us to calculate how much I'll get after you watch this video, you just have to take $4.77 divided by 1,000. Okay, this simply means that for the fact that you watch this video, I'm gonna earn $0.00477. Okay, this is how much I'm gonna get from YouTube after you watch this video. Okay, now what you have to note is there is a whole lot of traffic on YouTube, and you might probably have more than 1,000 views. Okay, let's say I'm able to have maybe 10,000 views. If I'm able to have 10,000 views on this video, here's how much I'm gonna get. So we're gonna punch 10,000 first. We punch 10,000, then we divide it by 1,000. Okay, to see how many 1,000s are in 10,000. Why I'm doing this is for you to understand. Okay, so you can see that no, this is not okay. So we punch 10,000. Okay, divided by 1,000. Again, this is to see how many 1,000s are in 10,000. I think you will know the answer, which is 10. Okay, you already know the answer, but I'm doing this so that you can understand. So we have 10,000, 10 1,000s. Okay, make what? 10,000. That is if I have 10,000 views on this video. Now what we are going to do at this point is we're going to multiply 10 by 4.77. So as you all know, there is already 10 1,000s. Okay, so every 1,000 is 4.77. So for 10 1,000s, we're gonna multiply by 4.77. So let's see how much you're gonna get. So we're gonna get approximately $47.77. Okay, so guys, please, you have to watch the video so that we can achieve this amount. Okay, now for those of you that want to start a YouTube channel, this is a very, my niche is about money online. It's unclear what niche you're gonna use, but for niche about money online, there's a lot of CPM, there's a lot of cost per mil. Okay, other niche about education and other comedy, you might find some slightly different amount. Okay, but this is how much you're gonna get if you start a channel about money online. Okay, so this is how this is how much I get and how much I'm gonna get from YouTube after you watch this video.